The first step to heat apply CAD-CUT Hi-VIS Reflective accurately is to load your item onto the press, ensuring a flat print area. With your print area flat, you're ready to set your time, temperature, and pressure. This product applies at 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it applies for 20 seconds. We've also programmed a preheat of 5 seconds that we're going to complete now, and at which point we're going to check our pressure. This product takes a medium pressure, which means when you lock down the Hotronix machine, we want it to be at a 4, 5, or 6 on our digital control board. We're up at a 7, which is more of a firm pressure, so we're just going to retract the pressure slightly to get it more in line with that medium setting. We're at a 5, which is perfect. We're completing the preheat, and that removes the moisture from our garment to get a nice application area. I'll take my Hi-VIS reflective transfer. I'll position it into place, making sure it's flat against the garment. I'll cover it with the cover sheet, and then we'll lock the heat press down for the full application. Hi-VIS reflective is a cold peel material, which means it needs to cool down to room temperature before peeling the carrier off. So just remove your garment from the press and wait for it to cool down. Now that the design is cooled down, I can grab at the corner and peel at a 45-degree angle, tracing my hand along with the carrier to reveal my completed result.